Do you feel shy or scared to speak English? Doctors also felt the same at the beginning, but they used 3 powerful tricks to become confident. Today, I will teach you those same tricks. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. This is lesson 4 of our playlist, The Secrets of How Doctors Improve Their English Knowledge. Today, you will learn how doctors build speaking confidence step by step using very simple methods. Many beginners try to speak fast, but doctors speak slowly. Slow English is clear English. Slow English is confident English. Instead of saying quickly, I want to ask you a question, say slowly, I want to ask you a question. Slow speaking gives you time to think. Doctors do not use long, difficult sentences. They use short and simple sentences. Examples: please sit. I will check you now. Take this medicine. Tell me your problem. You need rest. When your sentence is short, your confidence is high. Doctors practice English in front of a mirror. They watch their face, their mouth, and their confidence. This method is very powerful. Say simple sentences like, hello, my name is, how can I help you? Do you feel pain? You will be okay. Mirror practice helps you speak naturally. Now, let's do a simple speaking practice together. Repeat after me slowly. Hello, how can I help you today? I will check your blood pressure. Please tell me your symptoms. Take this medicine with water. You need to rest today. Good! This is the same English doctors use with patients every day. Now you speak. I will say a situation. You say one short sentence. Situation 1. A patient enters the room. Situation 2. You want to start the checkup. Situation 3. You give medicine. Excellent. You are becoming confident. Your challenge today. Stand in front of a mirror and say 3 short sentences in English. Just 3. Tomorrow, say 4. Small daily practice makes you confident, just like doctors. Great job today! Now you know the secrets doctors use to speak English confidently. In the next lesson, you will learn how doctors improve their listening skills. another powerful secret. See you in lesson 5 only on LELTA.